kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make at home. Anyway, I'm always doing some research and I come across, we know that baking soda and Colgate works really well, and I said to myself, yeah, I'm a chef and sometimes you're at home and you want to do stuff, this is some ideas of things what you can do at home. So just look at the magic of toothpaste, baking soda, and also, lemon juice. If you have black pot or something black and want to clean it, this is some tips and ideas. I was here and I was, look at my kettle right here, shine and nice. So that's the magic of Colgate and toothpaste and lemon juice and baking soda works. So I just decided to share it with my fans and to see what you think about it. Leave your comments in the description box and tell me what you think. It's just amazing to know you can do at home, want to do something, and this is what happened in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, Google Plus me, and get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. One love goes out for you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. I always love to share my ideas with my fans, to say to them, if you're at home and you feel a little bit boring, don't have anything to do, I want to learn to do things at home naturally and artificially and all these things. So if you notice, I have a kettle right here, and if you notice how the kettle have a little bit of filth and it, and a little bit sticky because I've been using it a lot to do different stuff. So if you have one of these at home and you want it to be clean and nice and look really shiny, I'm gonna give you a little tips and ideas of what you can do at home to make it come really shiny, looking nice and beautiful, like a new brand kettle you never used before. Look at my secret. We know that toothpaste, baking soda and lemon can be used for so many different things, but my ideas which I'm going to give you today, you're going to love it. All right, so look at this. Right, so what we're going to do is get some baking soda, roughly about a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda, you can get this in the shop to buy or the supermarket. And I'm gonna get roughly about a tablespoon of toothpaste. And I'm going to get half of a lemon juice and I'm gonna just squeeze on it like this. Nicely. And I'm just gonna simply use a spoon and simply mix it together. I just use a whole spoon. Alright guys, as you can see exactly what I've been doing right there. Alright, so we got the baking soda right here. We got some toothpaste and lemon juice. Second thing, you need some gloves. Make sure you have on gloves. So what you're gonna do, get one of these Scotch-Brite scouring pad where you used to wash up a plate and your dishes at home. Dip it inside of it like this. And then you're gonna get a kettle. This is a magic, but enough for you guys. You don't make it get inside of this. You just wanna get the outside clean and nice. Alright? I know that there's a lot of people think toothpaste only can clean teeth, but I'm telling you, look at the magic of this. So all of those black bits where you see on it, you're gonna see what happened next. And I'm not pressing on it, I'm just simple, you know what I mean, rubbing in it. No mess, no nothing, very simple and easy. So if you're at home and you know what I mean, you want to do something, this come in really handy for you at home, guys. And as you can see for yourself what's going on right there, and I'm not doing nothing extra ordinary, you know what I mean. I just decided to share this with my friends. But look at this now, all right? This is fantastic and amazing, you know what I mean? As you can see for yourself on the camera, you know what I mean? I didn't do nothing more than only simple get those 3 ingredients, all right? And I use a and I'll tell you something, the longer you rub it in, is the better for it. Alright guys, anyway, I'm not gonna go any more further with it. What I'm gonna do is simply get my kitchen wipe and just wipe it for you to make you guys see exactly what's going on. Alright, because look at this. Alright, so let's see, make you guys can see exactly what's going on. Alright, do you see that? All right, so if you want to get those little bit of you know, a little bit of mark them down inside of here, because it already catch inside of it, so all you need to do, you can simply get like a little knife or something, and simple the baking soda and the Scotch Brite already reach inside of it. So what you can simply do is just simple, just, you know what I mean, take it out, use a little knife and just simple take out this little black dirt and around the edges, like here right here, and all of these will be coming out lovely and nice. If you have a toothbrush, you can use a toothbrush and rub it out. You can use a toothbrush and I'll simple just rub it out. So it's going to be really fantastic. Look at that. Alright, that's it. So now what we're going to do is just wash it off. Alright, so I'm gonna clean it off now and that's it. That's it guys, nothing else. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see for yourself, that's the magic of this nice lovely toothpaste and baking soda. As I say, just wipe it off, simple, you know, get them shiny and nice. Because this one, you cannot wash this one in underneath the water because of current, electric, so you have to just wipe it off. Alright guys, but I'm just giving you some tips and idea of the magic what, you know what I mean, you can do at home with Colgate toothpaste, baking soda and lemon. Powerful. Alright, so all I have to do is just simple wipe him off just like this. Get a piece of napkin, shine him up, you know, make him look nice. So that's exactly that. Look at that. It was so filthy in a couple of minutes ago, and now look at that. And that's the magic of that nice lovely toothpaste and also baking soda. Alright guys, you can do the same thing at home. Just be careful, don't, you know what I mean, if you have one of these just don't wash it underneath the pipe. Simple, rub the Colgate, rub them off, and simple, you know, wipe it off. That's the best thing to do it. So there's more thing will be coming from me. I will show you guys what you can also do at home. Alright, yeah, just to keep your stuff them shine and nice. Can't go wrong. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Yeah, lovely and nice guys. Look at that. Beautiful.